How to Slow Climate Change in 3 Easy Steps by me. The 3 steps to slow down climate change are saving energy in your home, using public transportation, and eating less meat. Step 1. Save energy in your home. Saving energy by reducing household energy usage is a main way that people can adapt their everyday lives to slow the impact of climate change. By lowering the amount of energy you use in things like heating and cooling, lights, water, and other appliances, people can reduce the amount of energy that their house requires. This will benefit the environment because it will lessen the amount of energy that needs to be produced. Processes such as fracking for natural gas and drilling for oil will use up even more energy that are not beneficial to the environment. Additionally, the burning and use of fuels like this contribute to global warming and climate change because of the release of CO2 and other gases into the air. The reduction of energy use in general will slow the processes of climate change because less energy will be burned, and this will put fewer greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. See the provided infographic for ways to save energy in your home. Step 2. Use public transportation. Walking, biking, or taking public transportation or shared transportation are all easy daily changes that people can make to help the environment. Many vehicles on the road are gas or diesel burning vehicles. Roads are absolutely filled with these cars and trucks, and they are a leading factor in carbon emissions into the atmosphere. By reducing the number of fossil fuel burning vehicles, fewer emissions and harmful greenhouse gases will be released into the air. Riding bikes, walking to school, work, and other places are ways to completely decrease the amount of emissions one person releases into the air because these forms of transportation do not burn fossil fuels. Additionally, taking public transportation, such as buses and trains, will help to reduce the amount of emissions because these forms of transportation can transport many people while not using as much energy or burning as much fuel as one person taking their own car would. As a result, these are all ways to evolve transportation habits for individuals to reduce the speed of climate change by allowing fewer emissions to be released into the air. See the provided infographic for additional statistics as to how transportation combats climate change. Step 3. Eat less meat. Eating more fruits and vegetables and less meat will help to lessen climate change. Plant-based foods require less energy to produce, and that means generating less greenhouse gases. Vegetables, fruits, and legumes will not require as much energy resources as animal-based foods. Animals require more energy to raise, and they generate greenhouse gases as a byproduct of their own digestion of plant materials. By eating plants, vegetables, and legumes, there will be fewer greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. This will reduce global warming because there will be fewer heat-trapping gases in the atmosphere. See the provided infographic to learn more about the production of red meat, which is just one kind of meat production that harms the atmosphere. Here's my works cited page, and let's do all we can to save the environment. Let's stop climate change.